Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Lazy Bear Lodge. It's a none-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free Wi-Fi, free parking and a non-smoking rooms. Located in Big Bear City in the California region, Lazy Bear Lodge features a patio. The property is 27 miles from San Bernardino, and guests benefit from complimentary Wi-Fi and private parking available on site. The vacation home features 3 bedrooms, a fully equipped kitchen with a dishwasher and a microwave, and 2 bathrooms with a shower. The vacation home has a grill. Guests at Lazy Bear Lodge can enjoy darts on site, or go hiking or skiing in the surrounding areas. Big Bear Lake is 3.4 miles from the accommodation, while Victorville is 31 miles away. The nearest airport is Palm Springs International Airport, 37 miles from Lazy Bear Lodge. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.